Swisscom is a telecommunications provider in Switzerland. We are the nation's IT and communication backbone. We've got customers from the banking sector, health insurance, transportation, and we have lots of customers that need performance, availability, and security. Before we had the recovery appliance, we had a conventional solution from multiple different vendors. We had a storage system by a vendor, a backup software by another vendor, and integration costs were really high. What we were really striving for is to tame the complexity, because the simpler a solution, the more reliable it is. We chose Oracle because Oracle knows how Oracle works, and Oracle has seamless integration end-to-end. With the recovery appliance, we were able to reduce backup configuration times down to 5 minutes, where we had weeks before we had the recovery appliance. And we also managed to bring down the backup volume by some 40%. This led to a huge cost saving and increased efficiency. The recovery appliance has a feature which is called real-time redo transport, and you can keep the amount of potential data loss very, very low. I'm a skydiver, and so I think I know about risk, and you need to have good equipment. And when I think about risk in terms of data recovery, the recovery appliance is the perfect equipment to keep data loss at bay.